Hello, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. I'm doing great. Today's lesson is going to talk about giving and asking for advice. يعني كيف أقدم نصيحة أو أسأل عن شخص ما عن النصيحة. Okay? So, in this course, we will see some expression that we use for giving and some expression for use for asking for an advice. Okay, so let's start our courses. يا أستاذ، ما هي التعابير التي يمكنني استعمالها لأسأل شخص ما عن النصيحة؟ Okay, this is a great question. ده سؤال عظيم. So asking for an advice, we can use these expressions. First, what do you advise me to? Okay, this is the first question. Second, the second example expression, what should I do? For example, my friend, for example, I have a headache and I ask my friends, what should I do? This is an example. The third example, if you were in my situation, what would you do? إلا كنت في الحالة ديالي أشنو غادي دير؟ What you would do. Okay?
عندنا في المثال الرابع. Okay? Or in the fourth example or expressions. Okay? Do you suggest or what or do you have any advice؟ قال لي واش عندك شي نصيحة ولا واش عندك شي اقتراح؟ Okay? Suggest هو الاقتراح and advise هو النصيحة. Okay? The last one is what's the best advice for this situation. شنو هو أفضل okay نصيحة لهذه الحالة. Okay. These are just some examples of expressions that we use, and there are some other expressions here. Another expression, okay, I just don't know what to do. How can I? Okay, يعني أنا ما عرفتش أشنو غادي ندير، ولكن كيفاش يمكن لي okay ندير هذيك القضية. And we have another example. What would you advise me to do? This is another expression that we can use for asking for an advice. So right now it's your turn to choose one of them that is very easy for you. دابا نوبتك باش تختار شي واحد سهل and then advise your friends.
دابا واحد شوية تعرفنا على asking for advice. Okay? يعني كيفاش نسولو على النصيحة، باش واحد يعطينا النصيحة. Right now it's time باش حنا نعطيو النصيحة. شنو هما expressions ولا التعابير اللي كنستعملو؟ Okay? First, you should. And should, it is a modal verb اللي كتستعمل في giving an advice. Okay? You should يعني خاصك. You should, for example, you should revise your lessons. خاصك زعما تراجع الدروس ديالك. Okay? Or the second, you had better. Okay? And you had better, we use it plus infinitive يعني the verb infinitive like go لا eat يعني infinitive. Okay? The third example, why don't you? علاش ما دير ولا علاش ما تمشي للطبيب for example. علاش ما. Okay? And it would be better if you وغادي تكون حاجة مزيانة إلى. وعندنا مجموعة من الأمثلة آخرين هنايا ديال giving an advice باش نعطيو النصيحة. For example, I advise you to in your situation I would have thought about okay, maybe you should okay. So here راه بحال هاد الاكسبريشنز، يعني كنختار حنا اش وحده اللي سهله لينا ودغيا كنميمواريزيوها ونستعملوها في الكوميونيكاسيون ديالنا.
اوكي مزيان، باش نبراكتيسيو دوك الاكسبريشنز اللي قلنا عندنا examples. Speaker 1: I want to improve my writing skills. Do you suggest any advice? يعني تما كاين واحد السؤال اللي هو asking for advice. اوكي، يعني قال لي اعطيني شي نصيحه، راه بغيت نطور الكتابه ديالي. What is his answer؟ يعني giving an advice. Speaker 2: In your situation I would read a lot and practice some writing. هذا عطاه giving an advice، هذه حيت عطاه لا advice، قال لي غادي نقرا بزاف وغادي نبراكتيسي some writing، غادي نبراكتيسي الكتابه. Of course this is the first example. Okay, we have other examples here. First, I am thinking of leaving Morocco once and for all. قال لي كنفكر نغادر المغرب بصفة نهائية. سبيكر تاني غادي يقول لي you had better not to do it. كنصحك ما ديرهاش. There are no sweet place like home. قال لي ما كاينة أحسن بلاصة من غير داركم. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please just practice these expressions with your friends, with your family members, or maybe wherever. Just practice them, and if you have any question, please just write it in the comment and I will answer all of your questions. Okay, don't hesitate to share and to subscribe for this channel.